Welcome. This accounting mini lecture covers cost, volume, profit analysis, and sales mix. In most of our cost, volume, profit analysis videos, we have focused on a single product or a single unit. However, in reality, most companies sell a variety of products. They sell more than one product. The composition of their sales, meaning all of the different products sold, constitute what we often call the sales mix. Okay, so let's look at how this will impact our break-even calculations. Okay, first, our unit contribution margin is going to be replaced with a contribution margin for a composite unit, and we'll look at an example in just a moment. A composite unit is made up of the numbers for each product in proportion to the sales mix. Okay, the sales mix is the ratio of those volumes to the various products. Okay, so let's look at an important formula that we're going to need. Our break-even point in composite units is going to be equal to fixed cost divided by the contribution margin per composite unit. Okay, so here's an example. Hair Today offers 3 cuts as shown below. Annual fixed costs are $192,000, and we are looking to compute their break-even point, okay, given this sales mix, okay? They have basic, we're looking at different types of haircuts. They have basic haircuts, they have ultra haircuts, and then they have some less expensive budget haircuts. And here we see the selling price of each, $20, $32, and $16 respectively. Variable cost is $13, $18, and $8 respectively, leaving us with a unit contribution margin of $7 for basic, $14 for ultra, and $8 for budget. Now, the sales mix ratio. What this means, we can see here that it's 4-to-1. What this means is that for every 7 haircuts, okay, and the 7 is just the 4 plus the 2 plus the 1, for every 7 haircuts, 4 of them are basic, meaning that's their most popular cut, 2 of them are ultra, and 1 of them is budget. This gives us our percentage of cuts that are attributable to each type. Okay, now we're going to compute our contribution margin per composite unit, okay? We're simply going to take the unit contribution margin times the sales mix ratio, okay? So we can see, for example, for basic, we take the $7 times the 4 to get $28. For the ultra, we take the $14 unit contribution and we multiply that by our sales mix ratio of 2 to get $28. And we follow the same approach with the budget, okay? When we add the weighted contribution margins together, we come up with a composite unit of $64. That is our contribution margin per composite unit. Now, in order to compute our break-even point in composite units, we're going to take the $192,000 of fixed cost and divide by the $64 per composite unit. This tells us that we will break even at the point in which we sell 3,000 composite units. Okay, so let's look at how that breaks down per product, or in this case, per service that we're selling. Okay, we know that within a composite unit, there are 4 basic cuts. So we're going to take 4 times the composite cut of 3,000 to equal 12,000 basic haircuts. For ultra, there are 2 within each composite unit, so we multiply 2 times 3,000 to get 6,000 ultra haircuts, and then we need 3,000 budget haircuts. So if this company wants to break even, they're going to have to sell us a total of 21,000 haircuts in the proportions indicated here on the slide. Thank you for watching this video on sales mix.